Welcome to Ocean Park, Hong Kong!
What's up, these friends? Daisy here, and welcome back to another travel vlog. So today, guys, is our official day one here in Hong Kong, and we'll be exploring
Ocean Park. Yeah.
Yes.
It's gonna be our plan for today, guys. But first, we're having our breakfast. Follow us in this adventure, and
let's go.
We're gonna go upstairs.
Here.
Our breakfast is here. We have here chicken teriyaki and also, guys, this beef udon. So let's go, let's eat.
Yay! So I got chicken teriyaki with vegetable, guys. So from Shimsha Chui Station, guys, we took the MTR going to Admiralty, and then from Admiralty we'll transfer to another line, which is South Island line, going to Ocean Park. So
Let's go, let's do this.
Alright, babe, you're finally here.
yay! It's actually my second time here in Ocean Park. So guys, we scanned the code there for the program schedule and map.
And also, guys, we have decided that we're gonna spend the rest of the afternoon mostly indoors. Like, we're gonna watch the aquarium and everything inside because, guys, as what you guys can see, it's really scorching hot right now. Look at these fishes right here, guys. So many fishes right here. Oh my god. Whoa. Yo guys, we're heading to our next stop, and yeah, let's check it out. Let's check everything that's inside here in Ocean Park, guys. Let's go. Alright guys, we're now here at the Whiskers Harbor for that meerkat show. Guys, look at how cute they are. These are the meerkats, guys. Look at that. So guys, it's feeding time. They're feeding the meerkats. And it's actually a show here every 1:15 p.m.
So there's also a park here inside the Ocean Park, guys. It's called the Old Hong Kong. So as you can see, it looks like the streets in Hong Kong.
In Hong Kong. Yeah guys, we're now inside. Actually guys, this cable car can accommodate 6 persons. Oh, it's so fast.
So guys, you need to take note that the last cable car from the summit is 6:30 p.m. So if you will miss it, guys, you will
Need to take the stairs.
Yeah, this one.
Look at that. Look at how long is that, guys. Wow, guys, look at the view over here, guys. Woo! Super nice view. Oh my god. Now we're finally here, guys. We're gonna take our lunch here.
So we ordered this one,
Okay.
chicken with fries and some soda.
Okay.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Alright guys, finally we have here our food. This is from Golden Fried Chicken. So we have some fried chicken, 2 pieces of fried chicken, fries, soda, Coca-Cola, this one, and some mango pudding, and some ice bar.
Jude, I think 9.5 over 10.
Mine is 10 over 10. So last one, guys. Alright guys, so we're here inside the Summit Ocean Express. If you come to Ocean Park, might as well that you make this your last ride.
Yeah. And also guys, one advantage when you ride here during 4 to 5 p.m. There's no line, there's no heavy line. Yeah.
Submarine. So we're inside the submarine, guys.
We're now under the water, guys.
And just like that, guys, we're back here sa Ubus. And instead of riding the cable car going back, guys, so we opted to ride the express train.
Ocean Express.
Yeah, Ocean Express. And because guys, there's also a long queue for the cable car going back.
Yeah.
Kuya, why? Doon makasaka mo yung TV.
Ako nakita ang card. Asa mga card ka doon makita.
So we really spent the entire day here sa
Yeah.
Ocean Park.
So tomorrow guys, we'll be exploring some parts of Hong Kong, guys.
Yeah. Overall, guys, ako experience, it's super worth it. It's super fun. So guys, if you will visit Hong Kong, you should visit Ocean Park. You shouldn't miss it. So for those of you who are asking, guys, how much is the ticket here? So I booked it from Klook. That's 2,800 plus pesos. That's good for one person. And then for the food, I also booked the delight meal.
Yeah,
so
drink.
that's 600 plus. Yeah, and here I think you can save if you book from Klook.
Yeah, so guys, if you will book through Klook using our code, that's Daisy 5 off. Yeah.
So
You'll
that-
get 5% discount.
Yeah, that's 5% discount. I think this is the best time to end this vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you've already subscribed, please make sure to hit the notification bell below so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also, please make sure to follow my other social media accounts. So that will be all, guys.
Always remember
that every day is a chance to see the beauty of God's creations, and always seize the day.
Thank you so much for watching.
Bye, these friends.